How to delete public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete your public profile on Snapchat. So in order to delete your public profile on Snapchat, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. The first thing is you have to go ahead and update your application. For that, head over to your Play Store. In the search box, type in Snapchat and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. So if the application is completely updated, then go ahead and log in into your account by tapping on the open button. And that's going to take you to the home page. Right on this page, click on the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. And here you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see my public profile. Go ahead and tap on it and click the OK button in order to begin with this procedure. So as you can see, this is basically a public profile. So in order to delete it, tap the three dot icon from the top right hand side, scroll down right to the bottom, and you'll be able to see this option as clear public profile. So if you're sure about it, then just click on the clear public profile button, and that is how you can delete your public profile on Snapchat. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.